Hello everyone, today we are learn and draw missing letter alphabet A to Z with color name. So let's start. Red color. A for apple. Blue color. Missing letter. B for balloon. Light green color. C for cat. Yellow color. Missing letter. D for dog. Orange color. E for earth. Red color. Missing letter. F for fish. Blue color. G for goat. Light green color. Missing letter. H for hen. Yellow color. I for eyes. Orange color. Missing letter. J for jam. Red color. K for kangaroo. Blue color. Missing letter. L for lemon. Light green color. M for moon. Yellow color. Missing letter. N for nose. Orange color. O for onion. Red color. P for panda. Blue color. Q for quilt. Light green color. Missing letter. R for rabbit. Yellow color. S for sun. Orange color. Missing letter. T for tea. Red color. U for under. Blue color. Missing letter. V for volcano. Light green color. W for water. Yellow color. X for Xylophone. Orange color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Red color. Missing letter. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.